Yeah, it's Chelsea. I had a really rough night, so it was pretty rough. I spent an egg getting in a lot of pain, and it hurts to be standing up right now, so I just wanted to show you how much it snowed last night. And it's still snowing. And see, I've been using snow as a pain reliever, that's why there's weird piles of it everywhere. Look, my neighbor across the street. Her stairs are practically snowed in. By the way, she doesn't exit from those stairs, so it's not a problem that they're snowed in. But holy crap, you guys. Yeah, so it snowed quite a bit. And it's still snowing. That's okay, it's actually really light, powdery, fluffy stuff. So, and it also kind of melts fast. But yeah. Is it snowing where you guys live? Do you have a lot of snow? Thanks for watching. Bye.